Commencement represents different things to different people, but there is one common thread that binds all of us during the ceremony. You have each completed the goal of completing a degree. Some of you may look upon commencement as an end, but I encourage you to see it as the beginning of a new chapter of your lives.
Remember all the hard work you put in and what you got out of it. Because in life, what you get out is what you put in. Period. Thank you.